In this video, I'll show you how to get TikTok Shop in Canada and start using it on your TikTok account. TikTok Shop is a feature that allows creators and businesses to sell products directly through TikTok. It lets users showcase products, tag items in videos, and manage sales using dedicated seller tools. This makes it easier for creators to reach customers and manage orders all in one place. However, TikTok Shop is not available in every country, and many users in Canada may face limited access. Even if you see the option, the full set of features may not be available right away. When exploring TikTok, you might notice a section called Sell on TikTok Shop. Seeing this option may give the impression that TikTok Shop is fully available, but in many cases, clicking on it may not lead to a completely functional seller dashboard. Some pages may take longer to load, or certain tools may not appear. This happens because TikTok applies regional checks to determine which accounts can access seller tools. The system looks at your account location and connection to make sure that only supported regions can use all features. Even if the shop option appears, some parts of the dashboard may remain inaccessible if your account or connection is detected in a restricted region. This is why many users in Canada experience partial visibility of TikTok Shop, but cannot fully open or manage all seller features. These checks help TikTok maintain a secure marketplace and comply with local regulations, ensuring a safe experience for buyers and sellers. When using TikTok Shop, keeping your internet connection stable and secure is very important. A reliable connection helps prevent loading errors, interruptions, or unexpected crashes while using seller tools. Even small connection problems can cause the dashboard to fail or features to load slowly. Using a VPN can add an extra layer of security and privacy to your connection. A VPN keeps your internet activity private and protected, and it helps maintain a more stable connection when accessing region-restricted features. This can help ensure TikTok Shop functions more smoothly and reduces the chances of errors or disruptions. Among the available options, NordVPN is a trusted choice. It offers fast speeds, strong security, and reliable performance across different regions. Using NordVPN can help protect your connection while exploring TikTok Shop features, giving you a smoother and safer experience. Use the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price and keep your connection secure while accessing TikTok Shop.